So now let's see how we can work around with Arduino. So over here you can see that I'm already in the circuit mode inside of Tinkercad. And in order to work around with Arduino, first of all, in the component section, I need to click here. And then here you can see Arduino is an option. So if I were to click here, you can see that there's different sort of projects that you can bring in. So let's bring in a simple one right here, which says blink. So let me just go around and click this and then click it here, just like this. So now this is a template which you can work around with. So if I were to press start simulation, then what happens is that this actually blinks. As you can see right here, there's blink every second. So let me just go around onto stop simulation right here. So you do need an idea of how Arduino actually works out in order to work around with this. So I'm going to go around right here and make a few changes over here on the blink, let's say, for example. Then I can go on to code, and then the code block actually opens up. So here you can see that on the right hand side, there's the code block, which says the set built-in LED to high. Right here, you can also set it to low. And then if I were to start the simulation, now what happens is that there's a lower glow right here. You can also go around onto a higher glow right here. Let me just go to high, press the start simulation. And then what happens is that now there is a higher glow, as you can see right here. So you can go around right here. So let me just set this around to low right here. So there's 1 second of high and 1 second of low. I can also do a 3 second of high and 1 second of low. So if I were to do start now, so what happens is that there's 3 second of glow right here. And after 3 seconds, you can see that it goes low. And then again, it lights up for 3 seconds and so forth. So let me just go for stop simulation. I'm going to do right opposite, 1 second of high and 3 seconds of low. So let's just try that out right here. And now there's 1 second of high, 3 seconds of low. There's like low brightness, and then again it goes high, as you can see right here. So you can bring in other things as per what you like. So you need the components to be there. You can go around and then change these code blocks out according to how you like it as well. If you want to work around with blocks and text, if you're more into programming, then you can go around into text right here, and then you can go to text right here again. But once you go completely text, you cannot go back to code blocks again, because you can make really complex problems over here. But you need to be familiar with this programming pattern to use this feature. And you can go around, share, or export it for your Arduino devices. So that is how you can work around with Arduino inside of Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.